Okay, this is the removal of the hard drive and replacing it. First, you need to remove the 4 screws at the bottom of the case. Then you need to remove the 4 screws at the top of the case. Now, this is the underside of the Mac. Once you remove all these screws, make sure you put them in a safe place because you do need to keep them. Remove the bottom portion of the Mac, which will expose the battery, the hard drive, and also the memory. You can replace the memory doing this as well, but right now we're going to replace the hard drive. Okay, this is where you're going to remove a small bar that goes over the brackets of the hard drive. There's 2 small screws that you need to loosen up. These screws do not need to come all the way out. Just open it up, just loosen them up, and then pull it right off. Set that aside, which will expose the brackets to the hard drive. There's a little tab that you can just pull up on this, and it slides the hard drive right out. Be careful because there's this cable connected to it, and we need to just pop that off. Slides right off very easily. Okay, carefully remove the cable from the hard drive. When you remove the cable from the hard drive, you'll be able to take a look at the brackets on the side. You're going to need to get a hex to remove those. There should be 4, 2 on each side. Okay, now after you get done removing those, you'll want to get your new hard drive and put the brackets into your new hard drive. Replace the cable. It can only go in one way, so you can't mess this up. Once you get that in there, there's 2 little holes inside the computer. Make sure your brackets go into these holes. After that, take the black piece that you took off in the beginning that covers the brackets. Place them over the brackets in the hard drive. And screw and tighten up the screws on that bracket.